Hello friends, and welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the PalmPay app to purchase airtime and get 20% bonus from your purchase. But before we dive straight into this video, I would like to invite you to kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. But if you are already a subscriber, I would like to thank you for coming back. Alright friends, as I said, we are going to look at how to use the PalmPay app to purchase airtime and get 20% bonus on your purchase. So without wasting much time, let's dive straight into the video. Alright, first of all, what you need to do is to make sure you install the PalmPay app on your smartphone. You can get the app to install from Google Play Store or from Apple App Store. So once you open your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, you then go to the search and search for PalmPay. So once you type PalmPay in the search, whether you are on Google Play Store or App Store, you will get the first link, that is PalmPay. So you tap on it. So once you tap on it, the app will be displayed for you. So as you can see, the app has 171 reviews, and you can tap on the app to go to the app page and read more about this app. So as you can see, once you come here, you will see what this app is all about. You will see the features of this app and what you are going to get once you install this app and use it for your transaction. Then you can come down and look at the reviews of this app and also see the storage required for installing this app on your device. So once you are satisfied with the app description and the storage, then you can click on the install button. I've already installed it on my phone, so in your case you need to install it, and then you can go ahead and follow this video as I'm going to show you. Alright, so in my case I'm going to open the app. So once I open the app, as a first time user, you will not see this interface. Because this is your first time of using this app, you will need to sign up on this app. It's easy to sign up. You will have to enter your phone number, then your email address, and then follow the remaining requirements or fill in the remaining requirements, and then you will be done with your registration. But please let me clarify this thing. During the registration process, you will be required to enter a referral link or referral code. I will leave my referral code in the description below. You can enter it and get 600 Palm points. This 600 Palm point is equivalent to 6 Ghana cedis, and if you did not use any of this code, you are not going to get any of these points. So I will leave the code in the description below. Once you reach the place or the field where it requires referral code, you can copy and paste that code inside. Once you copy and paste that code inside and complete your registration, you will be getting an instant 300 bonus, which is equivalent to 3 Ghana cedis. And once you use the app and conduct your first transaction, then you will be given an additional 300 points, which is equivalent to 3 cedis. So the two add up will give you 600 points, which is equivalent to 6 Ghana cedis. Alright friends, so once you are able to sign up on this app and then you are able to confirm your account, then you will see this interface. In your case, you will not see this balance. If you use the code, you will only see 600 as your Palm points. There I'm having 9,672 because I've used the app to conduct a lot of transactions. That is why I was able to accumulate these points. So once you also install the app and you use it to conduct transaction, you will be accumulating more points, and these points are what you are going to use to get the 20% bonuses on your transaction. Alright, so in this case, you can use the app to send money, top up airtime, buy data bundle, pay for utility bills, TV bills, and also insurance premium. Alright, so in this case our goal is to top up airtime. So what you need to do is to tap on top up airtime. So once you tap on top up airtime, you will be taken to this page. Here you will be asked to enter the phone number you want to top up the airtime on. So in my case, I'm going to enter this phone number. So once you enter your phone number, I've already entered my phone number. Then you come to the network operators. Here we have 3 network operators, that is Vodafone, MTN and Airtel to go. So in your case, or in my case, I'm going to top up this airtime on my Vodafone number. In your case, you can choose to select MTN or Airtel to go. So once you select your network providers, then you come and select the amount you want to top up. These are the pre-made amounts: 1 cedi, 2 cedis, 5 cedis, 10 cedis, 20 cedis and 50 cedis. So if you are going to top up an amount which is not already listed here, you can tap on others and then key in the amount you want to buy. So here I'm going to purchase a 50 cedis airtime. So I tap on the 50 Ghana cedis. So from here I will be taken to the next page. Once you have been taken to the next page, you will see the summary of this transaction. So this is the number I'm going to top up the airtime on, and then this is the amount I'm going to purchase, and then this is the fee I'm going to pay, which is 0 Ghana cedis. And then here I will be given the option to use my points. So here what I have to do is to tap on the points, and then I will automatically be given the points I'm going to use. So as you can see here, without me using the points, I'm going to pay a total amount of 50 Ghana cedis. But once I tap to use the points, the amount has been reduced to 25 Ghana cedis. So meaning I'm going to use 2,500 of my points, which is equivalent to 25 Ghana cedis. Alright, so and after the transaction I will earn 500 points from this transaction also, meaning I will earn 5 cedis, which is equivalent to 25% of the 50 Ghana cedis. Alright, so here what you need to do is to come and tap on pay. As you can see, this is the amount you are now going to pay, 25 Ghana cedis. Even though after the transaction we will get a 50 Ghana cedis airtime, but because we are using the points and using this app to purchase the airtime, we are given a bonus, and also we have been the price has been reduced for us. So here what we need to do is to tap on pay. Alright, once you tap on pay, you will be required to confirm your fingerprints if you've set a fingerprint on your app, or you will be required to enter your PIN to confirm. So in my case, I've set a fingerprint, so I'm going to put my fingerprint and confirm. Alright, now transaction successful. So now I will be prompted by MTN to confirm my transaction. As you can see, I'm prompted to authorize payment of 25 Ghana cedis from my account. So what I need to do is to tap on reply and enter my password or my PIN code. So I'm going to enter my PIN code and continue with the video. So now once I enter my password or my PIN code, I will be asked whether I really want to approve this transaction. Then I tap on yes. So once I tap on yes, 25 Ghana cedis will be removed from my account. So once I tap on yes, 25 Ghana cedis will be removed from my account, and then when I go to my airtime or my Vodafone number, I should see the 50 Ghana cedis airtime on my account. So here once I tap on complete, I will now be my points will now be deducted. As you can see, previously I have 9,000 and some points. So in this case, because I've used part of my points to do the purchasing, I'm now having 7,672 points. So once I come to this notification, I will see the 50 Ghana cedis top up from this notification. And when I go and check my Vodafone number, I should see the airtime which is 50 Ghana cedis, and from here I can use it to do whatever I want to do. Alright friends, this is how to use the PalmPay app to purchase airtime and get 20% bonus from your transaction. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to use my code or my referral code during the registration process and get the 600 airtime. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.